Welcome to Hardware Resources Cabinet Shop. Today we're going to be putting together a wall diagonal cabinet. One of the things that we want to make sure that everyone does when they receive their cabinets is just double check and make sure that the parts that they receive matches what's on the packing list. So we're going to go ahead and open this here. Let's go ahead and unpack our materials here. We have our easy installation instructions. So put these back here. So once you have all your parts and pieces out of the bag, definitely look everything over and make sure there's no damage or issues with the cabinet. One benefit of our RTA cabinets is the face frame and door is already attached with the appropriate hinges. And here we have our hardware box. We have our 1-inch screws, pocket screws, our corner brackets, our L brackets, all of our 1/2-inch hinges, and our bumpers. So one of the things that's not required and is optional is you can use wood glue in your dovetail joints. We recommend going 3 inches from the top and work your way down on each side. Next, we'll put in our side panels. And these just are dadoed here. Make sure it's nice and flush. Grab the other side panel. Sure this side is flush. Now we'll put our top and bottom in. As you can see here, there's pre-drilled holes on both sides. That'll be used later for your L brackets. And then we have the top here, same thing. We have the 2 holes for your L brackets that are pre-drilled. Now that we have our bottom and top in, we'll put in our back supports. What we're gonna do on this back panel is we're gonna start 3 inches up, get it lined up with our top and bottom panel, like so, and slide it down. Then we're gonna put in our center rear support. It's gonna slide in here. And then we're going to use our pocket screws to attach this to the side panels. And one of the things that you want to be aware of is as you're screwing these in, you don't want to overdrive the screw and you want to set your clutch on a low setting. All right, we'll put on our back panel and once again we'll go up about 3 inches on each side. Get it in the groove, it'll lock in place. Grab our pocket screws. So now that we have our back sides and our center support, you can see this gap here on either side. So you may either want somebody to help hold that together while you screw in both the front and the back screws, or you can use a bar clamp to do that as well. We do the same thing on the other side. You can see that shored everything up in the front, and we can install the rest of our screws. Okay, once your box is built, you can determine what is top and bottom based on how you would like the door to swing left or right. For our assembly video, we'll determine this is our top. So you actually have 4 of these corner brackets. We're gonna put 2 in the top. Now 2 can go in the bottom if you so choose, but they're not 100% necessary. And as you can see here, there's some pre-drilled holes as well. Then after we get done with our corner brackets, there's going to be an L bracket that's going to go both on the top and the bottom. Again, we have pre-drilled holes on both sides. Okay, and we will repeat this process on the other side as well. Now that we have our cabinet built, we're going to go ahead and install our shelves. Now, being that this is a diagonal cabinet, the best thing to do here is just go ahead and get your shelf in. Do the same with your other shelf. Now, once you have both your shelves in there, then you can put in your pins and adjust it to where you'd like it to be. After your shelves are in, the last step is to add your bumpers. We have 2 bumpers that were included in our hardware kit. Rule of thumb is if you want to put your bumper about 1/2 inch down and 1/2 inch away from the edge on both the top and the bottom. All right, that's it. That's your diagonal wall cabinet.